Let's see how to create caricature in Photoshop. First of all, add your transparent photo to artboard. Choose Pen tool and select the head to make separate. In here, increase the cut head size. Choose the lasso tool and select the back head from the bottom layer. Press Delete and choose the both layer and press Ctrl J and press Ctrl E to merge layers. Now go to the filter menu, stylize and click on oil paint. With these settings, make your photo look like a painting. Go to filter menu again and click on liquify. After opening this window, press A key and from face aware liquify section, start changing the face shape. Click OK and go to Filter menu, Sharpen, and select Unsharp Mask. You can delete or invisible the back layer. That's it. Follow Yaser graphic for more Photoshop tips and tricks.